Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at another Stitch Fix here. So let's just dive right in and do our usual thing here. So again, first thing you should note, when you get a Stitch Fix, you get a few different things in the box, starting with the paper. Again, this total box here is $188. That's with the discounts and everything else on there. You get a little card, has a little note and stuff on here, up here, and again, you don't get everything on this card, but you get most of it, and it kind of just gives you just some decent outfits and stuff you can put together. I don't know, some really cool stuff. And again, they kind of listen to you, you know, what you like, what you don't like. Like, I really don't care for the jeans and stuff that they happen to have. So now they have this new thing here. Always keep your stuff stocked here. So you now can get the extras, underwear, socks, belts, things of that nature, boxer shorts and stuff. So there's a bunch of extra stuff now you can add or add on and remove to your stuff. I haven't experimented with that yet, so get ready for that. And then, of course, a bag to return it all in. Oh, yeah, I caught it. All right, and inside of that, of course, the clothes. All right, so one of these is the cheat sheet, which has all the prices and everything on it. So let's just dive right in here. Do this the hard way. No, not. All right. I haven't even looked at these. I actually got this box last weekend. So you do have a few days to review these things and you can extend it out. But Stitch Fix tries to send it to you by Friday and then they want you to check out by Monday. Just so you know. So first things first, we have a pair of pants in here. These are stretch pants. These are Flag and Anthem Houston 5-pocket relaxed pants in navy. So let's see if I can find these here. So these are $59. I think that's a reasonable price for a decent pair of khakis. They are nice and look comfortable. These are of course in size 42. I am a bigger gentleman, but they look really nice. They have a flat front, I hope. Flat front, great. Again, I don't know anybody who really wears pleats anymore, so if you are one of those people, good for you, but me, flat front is where it's at. I don't want to have a pleated front. So these look fine. They're navy Chinkos. Alright, so let's take a look at the next thing here. So this is a new brand that I am unfamiliar with. It's an Ellsbury Pilsen Thermal Crew. And it looks nice and comfy and nice and wide. It'll fit nicely. It is in a burgundy color, which it is burgundy. Just, you know, the pants, $59.50 if I forgot to tell you. This sweater is $39. It's actually pretty reasonable. Wow, for the sweater, I think so. And it looks really nice, so we'll see how it looks on in a moment. Alright, so we also have the 01 Algo. I do love these a lot. This performance t-shirt and this really awesome style here. I just love the way these fit and look. Try that on in a second. So this here, the 01 Algo, is $34. They're really reasonably priced too, in my opinion. So here's a Woolrich flannel. Also looks very cool. This Woolrich flannel is the Stone Rapids Echo, and it is $69. Their stuff is usually a little bit more expensive. But again, you can tone these to whatever price range you want. But I do really like it. But I happen to have this exact flannel pattern in a different shirt, so we'll see. Then there's this one here. This is by Hawker Rye. This one here is $58. And honestly, I have so many of these shirts and I don't wear them. I really should be wearing them, right? But I usually stick for even more casual than this when I can. And it looks pretty cool. So again, really nice looking. Doesn't look too bad, but it's not bad. So light blue. So let's try all these things on, and more importantly, let's see if they fit. Alright, so here's the shirt here by Hawker Rye. It actually fits really nice. Again, this is the $58 shirt. It actually fits really well. It's not too baggy. It does tailor in just a bit here, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing a big freaking wide thing. It actually fits really well. I might just keep this shirt, although I don't wear them a lot, but we'll see. Alright, so this is the flannel shirt by Woolrich, about $58. Fits really nice. Again, of course, everything's going to fit great. Looks really good, actually. I don't mind it with these khakis too much either. I think it looks really good. So, I think I'll be keeping this as well. It fits really nice. And again, kind of, see how it kind of bags out? I don't like it when shirts sit out like this. I like it when they kind of move in just a little bit. Not enough to where it's like, hoochish, but just a little bit, so it actually fits really nice. So on to the next item. Alright, so this is the 01 Algo kind of striped shirt here. They call it the Rizzo Micro Stripe Performance Tee. It actually fits really nice. Again, a little bit tighter of a shirt. Probably a little too tight on me personally. Kind of see my stomach there a little bit. I kind of keep doing this to try to get it to stretch out a little bit. It might be actually too tight. I will take a further look at it a little bit later. But so this is the 01 Algo shirt. I think it looks pretty nice. I do like the brand, but it is fitting a little tight right now. So, all right. So this is the Alsbury sweater here. Again, great deal I think for this sweater. About $39. I think that's a steal for this shirt. Fits really great. I can't wait to kind of wear this outside here. It looks good with and this is just kind of how I wear it right here actually, with my khakis and this. So again, really great shirt, fits nice. Let's see what's up next. All right, and as you can see, the pants fit very well. So here are the pants. They actually fit very well as well, and I'll be keeping the pants as well. All right, I'll be right back for my final thoughts on this. All right, so all in all, the Stitch Fix was actually pretty nice. I'm only going to return 2 of the items. The pants just didn't fit right. And that 01 Algo shirt, which I really love the brand, just a little too tight. So the things I will be keeping will be this sweater here, this shirt here, and this shirt here. They all fit really well. Even though I have one similar to this, it fits so well I can't help it but to keep it. So anyways, if you guys want to try Stitch Fix yourself, there'll be a link in the description below. And maybe I'll start adding some extras to my stuff. And we'll see how it looks. It looks pretty cool. Again, feel free to try the link below. If it's something you're into, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I do a lot of clothing-based Stitch Fix, basically. And then a lot of bags and some other stuff. But I am open to anything else you may or may not want to add. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, phone just keeps on ringing. Crazy.